Hi everybody, Doug Fowler here, giving you a review of this DeLonghi coffee maker all-in-one kind of gizmo doohickey. You've seen a video previously of me operating it. It works great. A couple notes. You open this panel here, and hopefully you can see this. You can see a mess. Every time you make coffee, it's going to spill a little bit out. Sometimes worse than others. So just keep that in mind. It's not very clean. Coffee pods go out here. Extra water goes out here. Now me, I'm a self-professed coffee snob and a beer snob. I like my coffee good, like it warm, like it's strong. This thing does an excellent job making coffee. Satisfies all your needs. We had to send this one in for repairs. It got what I call the triangle of death. There's a little warning triangle where it says something's wrong with it and it can't be fixed, and we had to reboot it and restart it and over, and it just wouldn't work. So got a hold of customer support. They actually had my phone camera broadcasting them exactly what was happening and stuff like that, and it actually became the infuser, which is that piece, I believe, is what failed. So they sent me a box with it's already pre-stamped and everything else to package it and ship it off, and that was last Monday. Got it back last night. So far it tastes great. I would strongly recommend this if you like ground coffee, good coffee, consistent coffee, and not burnt coffee, and you're tired of Keurig cups, K-cups, and the like. This is great. Now the downside is, this is where your beans go. Now, you can imagine what kind of mess it's going to make if you're trying to take them out to put decaf in their beans or the like.
That's it? What is it? I think that's okay, but но только это прозрачный. Ага. Ладно, я откину сейчас.
All right, so we're gonna pull this out. You can see it's dry in there, completely dry. No coffee underneath, completely dry. Now we're gonna run the 3-ounce espresso.
So I selected the pre-ground option. The infuser got stuck in the upper position. There was a small amount of white smoke. I did the troubleshoot video as I was sent by support. I also unplugged it for about 5 minutes and plugged it back in a couple times, and it still won't power on at all, despite holding it or anything. I've tried to
Come on, baby. Give Mama some coffee.
Got a new device, and it's still leaking.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
As you can see, it's crooked. It should be.
Abby, what happened to your hair? It is crazy.